Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, and we've got two heavyweight contenders battling it out for the title of Best Home Cleaner. On the left, we have the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Let's just call it Sharky. And on the right, we have the eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, or, as we like to call it, the eufy Beast. It's going to be a showdown for the ages, so let's get ready to rumble. Alright, let's start with the price. Sharky is coming in hot at $549, while the eufy Beast is flexing its muscles with a whopping $799 price tag. That's right, folks. For the price of the eufy Beast, you could buy Sharky and still have enough left over for a fancy dinner date. But hey, we're not here to judge your financial decisions, or are we? Now, let's talk suction power. Sharky boasts incredible suction that can tackle the toughest messes. Reviewers have praised its efficiency on both carpet and tile. But the eufy Beast? It's got a powerful 8,000 pascals suction that could probably suck the chrome off a trailer hitch. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its ability to handle pet hair and its overall cleaning power. If suction power was a superhero, the eufy Beast would be Superman, and Sharky would be, well, Aquaman. Still powerful, but not quite in the same league. Next up, self-emptying and cleaning. Sharky's got a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. Reviewers love the convenience, but mention that the base could have a larger capacity. Meanwhile, the eufy Beast takes it a step further with an all-in-one station that not only empties the dustbin, but also washes and dries the mop pads. Reviewers find this feature game-changing, making it like having a personal butler, minus the British accent and the judgmental stares. Now, let's navigate our way to the navigation and mapping features. Sharky uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision home mapping and can avoid obstacles like a ninja in the night. Reviewers appreciate its efficient mapping and ability to set no-go areas. On the other hand, the eufy Beast has AI, smart cleaning that can identify over 100 different objects. Reviewers highlight its exceptional obstacle avoidance and quick map initialization. It's basically the Sherlock Holmes of robot vacuums. The game is afoot. For all you pet owners out there, this one's for you. Sharky claims to be perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration system. Reviewers with pets are pleased with its ability to handle pet hair efficiently. But the eufy Beast? It's got an auto-detangling roller brush that can even remove hair that's wrapped around it. Reviewers, especially pet owners, find it exceptionally effective in dealing with fur. So if your house looks like a petting zoo, the eufy Beast might just be your new best friend. Lastly, let's talk runtime. Sharky offers up to 120 minutes of cleaning time and can recharge and resume if needed. Reviewers appreciate its long runtime and reliability. The eufy Beast didn't specify its exact runtime, but considering all its features, it probably needs a nap just like the rest of us after a busy day. Reviewers still find its performance impressive despite the lack of exact runtime details. So if you want a vacuum that can pull an all-nighter, Sharky might be your guy. Both the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and the eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop have received positive reviews on Amazon. Sharky is praised for its affordability, efficient cleaning, and pet-friendly features, although some reviewers note limitations in its capacity and scheduling. On the other hand, the eufy Beast is lauded for its powerful suction, advanced self-cleaning capabilities, and exceptional navigation, making it a top choice for those willing to invest a bit more for convenience and performance. Alright, smart shoppers, we've compared the price, suction power, self-emptying and cleaning, navigation and mapping, pet hair handling, and runtime. Both Sharky and the eufy Beast have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance, Sharky is your pick. But if you want an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse and don't mind splurging a bit, the eufy Beast is calling your name. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and stay awesome. Product links are in the description.